Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pathfinder stainless steel 120-ounce bush pot from Self-Reliance Outfitters, Dave Canterbury's store. As I said in other videos, had a sale, couldn't resist. Dave wants all my money. Give you a look here at the box. So now I own all three sizes of his bush pot, which is kind of funny. And the UPC. Let's get this guy out. Take a look at it. All right. Look at that. The thing's a monster. Alright, let me give you some specs on this pot. It's 120 ounce stainless steel. That's 304 grade stainless steel with lid. Regular price on his website is $29.99. 120 ounces is about 3.54 liters of water. This thing is big. See my hand up here? That is big. Look at that. Oh, man. It is 6 inches high and 7.5 inch diameter. That is 15.24 centimeters high by 19 centimeters. There is no listed weight, so we will weigh that and let you know what's going on. I did get the bag with this. The bag is $17.99 on his site, unless he's doing a sale, which he was. So, this thing's huge, okay? It is huge. Look at that. It has got the same kind of batwing handles as the other ones. This nice bail. I love these bails that lock into different positions. Okay, it's also got a pour spout here at the end, which I absolutely love about these pots. Alright, let's get the scale in here and get a weight. Yep, 1 pound 6.5 ounces with the bag. 1 pound 10 3/4 ounces in metric. 637 grams by itself. With the bag, 759 grams. Not too bad at all. What I really like about this pot and the way Dave has done all of his outdoor kitchen gear is if you have the other size bush pots, the skillets, all that, everything is modular, meaning it can stack inside of each other and go into one of these large bags, so you have your entire camp kitchen in one bag, which would be awesome if you're doing a group or car camping, RV, whatever. You'd have all your kitchenware in one grab-and-go bag. I love that. Let me show you what this looks like in the bag. You know, when I first started looking at Dave's stuff years ago, these bags were stupidly priced. They finally come down in price. I remember the bag for the skillet, the 8-inch skillet, cost more than the skillet. I mean, how does that work? Okay. We're in the bag. I'm going to lift the camera up and show you. You got all this extra room here. So if you got plates, the other pots, everything else, you can basically fill everything in here. And then when you pull, you know, and tighten this up, oh, that's stiff. That's going to take some breaking in. Okay, so when you collapse this, you still got all this room here. I mean, this is a ton of room. Alright? There's the top of the pot. So you got all this room here. So if you have all his stuff, like I said, all of it fits in one bag. I like that. I really like that. I'd like to get my camper together, and this is how I would have my pantry. That is pretty sweet. Okay, what else? Let's check to see the fit on this lid. Okay, it's not as tight as I would like, but there's a fix to that. Grab the sides here and give a little push in. We're going to try to deform it a little bit so this fits a little tighter. It fits a little tighter. I think that'll work. Well, you know, this, like I said, I'm getting this for my camper and for my one large camp stove, so I can process a lot of water at once, you know, through boiling, pasteurization. That's why I got it. But, you know, you may hate this, you may not want this. Hey, I'm not saying you should buy it. Buy it, don't buy it, that's up to you. I think it's a good deal for what you get. I had one of my subscribers ask me how I would compare these to the zebra bush pots that are really big in the UK, Australia, and all that. The problem is, I can't seem to find one stateside without paying a fortune. If I could, yeah, that's right, even the cat agrees. If I could, I would get one just to compare it to these. The one thing the bush pots seem to have that this doesn't is they seem to have a plate piece that kind of fits in here on some of them, which I thought was kind of neat. Other than that, I don't know. There's not too much else about these pots that I would compare them with. Alright. I like the handles. I like the bail. Man, I like the whole setup. Okay? I don't think I need to do a boil test or anything like that on this. Let me show you what I mean about modular in this packing down. Alright? So we have our 120 ounce here. Well, here's one of the bowls from Dave Canterbury's store. The bowls fit right down in there with room to spare. Or I'm sorry, that's a plate. This is a bowl. Okay? So, I have the 64 ounce bush pot sets down in there like so. These bowls fit inside the 64 ounce bush pot. Then I've got the 1 quart bush pot. Almost fits in there. I have to do a little bit of maneuvering. Yeah, see, it's the bail. You'd have to pop that bail off or do it like that. So you could fit all that, put the bowls like that, and a skillet around the bottom, and then put that all in the bag. Okay? That about wraps things up. I don't think I need to do a boil test or anything like that. Buy it, don't buy it, that's entirely up to you. I just wanted to show it to you as part of my camp kitchen I'm putting together. So I'll see you all later out in those woods over there, maybe doing some car camping or out of your RV. Alright? Have a great day.